All right, let's talk about finding the possible number of positive roots or solutions using Descartes' Rule of Signs. Now, we're talking just about the positives for right now. You can see that Descartes' rule tells us we can get the maximum number of positive roots or solutions by just counting the number of sign changes in the polynomial that you have. Count that number of sign changes. That'll give you the maximum possible number of positive roots you can get. Now notice that it's a maximum. That means the most. You might have fewer than that. If you have fewer than that, then it's going to be a multiple of 2 less than whatever you counted. Let's take an example and see. For this particular polynomial, I've written the positive coefficients using blue ink and the negatives using green to maybe make it a little easier for us to see. As we start out, we've got a positive coefficient that's understood here. When we change from this positive to the next step, there is 1 change in sign. Now as we move along, here is a second change in sign. After that, it stayed positive for a minute. Back here, we've got another change in sign, and then 1 more at the end. So if I count the number of sign changes that we have, from positive to negative made 1, from negative to positive made 2, it stayed positive, then positive to negative made 3, and finally negative to positive made 4 changes in sign. With 4 changes in sign, this tells us we could have a maximum of 4 positive solutions for this problem. If it's not going to be 4, then we just want to keep subtracting 2 until we can't subtract 2 anymore. If I start at 4 and subtract 2 off, then it could be that we have 2 positive solutions for this problem. If it's not 4 or 2, I can subtract 2 one more time. Subtracting 2 off, it might be 0 positive solutions. You can get the maximum number of positive solutions for a polynomial by counting the sign changes. If it's not that maximum amount, then it's less than that by a multiple of 2. That's Descartes' rule for positive solutions.